Okey Dokeys!
Hi there! If you find the magic ring tricky, don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how to start a round crochet piece using a chain instead. First, we're going to start by chaining the required amount of stitches. Many patterns call for a chain of 4 or 6. After chaining, join the last chain to the first with a slip stitch. This creates a small loop or ring. Now work your first round of stitches, such as single crochets, into the center of the ring, not into any of the individual stitches. Alternatively, you can also chain 2 and work your stitches directly into the first chain. This method gives you a looser center for certain patterns. Continue working the required number of stitches in your first round into the first chain of that stitch. Both methods are great alternatives to the magic ring, and they're perfect for starting round projects. Give both a try and see which one works best for you and your project.